Hi guys, welcome back to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make courgettes, right? So we're gonna make courgette, right? It's like in India, right? You call it Tori. So, but the courgette sabji is right, really boring and very bland. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna spice it up and make it differently. I'm gonna put a twist to it. So what I've taken here is I've taken a roughly chopped garlic, one Punjabi budi, some onions, like 2 medium onions, right? So I've just cut it like this way, and some another powder, which is pomegranate powder, tomatoes, my usual spices, and what I was taking is I've taken chana dal, right? I've soaked it overnight, so that's what we're gonna do, right? And now I'm gonna cut these, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make, and we're gonna make it really healthy, right? We're not gonna put much oil in it because most of my videos are very healthy, and I really like to promote healthy cooking, healthy eating, and staying healthy, right? Right guys, watch my video till end. I'm gonna give a shout out to a very special person from my childhood, right? So now what I've done is I've cut the courgette really small pieces. If you look at it, right, very tiny pieces, right, and really thin as well, so it will cook quickly, right? So let's put our gas on. So as I explained to you, right, I don't put a lot of oil in it, right, and I want to promote healthy cooking. So what I've got here is 1, 2, just 3 spoons, right? While the oil is getting heated, so I'm going to chop this dal, which has been soaked overnight, in a microwave for 5 minutes. First we're going to do is we're going to put our garlic in, right? So I've roughly chopped the garlic, right? This time I've not taken the fresh garlic, I roughly chopped garlic, right? A good amount, right? I'm going to chop that in first. And we're going to put a really good 1 spoon or teaspoon of garlic, like heaped it up, right? Of ginger. And at this point we're going to add our half a teaspoon of turmeric. That goes in. We're not going to cook we're not going to cook really well, so because we're going to cook later, and we're going to add our onions. We're going to add a good spoon of green chilies, and I'm just going to do my Punjabi budi, yeah? So we are not going to cook our onions right fully, so because it's going to get cooked automatically with courgettes, right? And I'm going to add my tomatoes, which is like sort of half a tin. I've taken a tablespoon of pomegranate seeds, or you can take an amchu, right? So that goes in, and I'm going to add my courgette or ram tori, whatever you want to call it. Mix it well. Right guys, so I've got my dal ready, which I got it out from the microwave. It's got a bit of water in it as well, so I'm just going to add all of it, right? There you go, that goes in. So simple to make this, right? So now mix it well. We have added everything in it, so I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon, let's put 1.5 teaspoon, right, of salt, and we're going to hope for the best. There you go. This is so simple, right? Everything in, put a lid on, medium gas, leave it for 10 minutes, and we'll come back after 10 minutes to check on it. Let's see after 5 to 10 minutes. Look at that. Nearly done. Let's see. Let me check the dal. Dal ready? Everything's ready, right? All we're gonna do is we're gonna add our magic touch to it. A pinch of dry methi. So just gonna add in here. And it gives a really good flavor, right? I'm just gonna cook this open and dry whatever the water's left in it for 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that, guys. There's no water in it and it's all done. The smell is really awesome. The really nice, awesome flavors and aroma in it. So I'm gonna add my dhania in here, coriander. So that goes in here. Mix it well. Mix your coriander well. And you must have noticed, right, that I have not put any garam masala in this dish today. The reason why I have not put garam masala is because the Punjabi buddy has got a lot of awesome masalas. So that if I add some more masala into it, it will really overpower the dish. So that's why I'm gonna put it in, right? So this is ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a lid on it. Switch it off, put it on the side, and it's gonna like really mature with the steam in it. So that's done, guys, right? I like to share with you guys, right? You know, when I was a kid in a school, I was a really handful. I was not a naughtiest kid in a class. I was the naughtiest kid in the whole entire school. And it was very hard to manage me, and it always stuck in my mind one teacher, right, who really loved me and she always supported me. And I never used to do any homework of any other teacher apart from science teacher. So that's Geeta Verma, yeah? So she's been like supporting me and watching my YouTube videos, and I feel really honored that she's still supporting me after all these years. And today's shout out goes to my favorite teacher, Geeta Verma. Thanks for watching, guys. Please follow me on Instagram at Desi Boy Kitchen, and please like, share and subscribe my videos, and keep on cooking, healthy cooking, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.